Ever wondered what your future holds? What if I told you AI can now predict it better than any other astrologer out there? Forget expensive astrology sessions. In this video, I will show you how to turn ChatGPT and other AI tools into your personal astrologer, that too for free. I will reveal why 99% of people are using AI astrology incorrectly, share some hacks that can fix everything, and stick around for our bonus tip of the video that changes everything. Let's explore how the rise of AI is set to disrupt astrology like never before. Most people try astrology with AI like this. They open ChatGPT, find some astrology birth chart GPT, type in their birth details and ask about their future questions. And sure, they do get an answer. But here's the problem. These predefined GPTs are limited to Western astrology only. Plus, this is a real issue. They calculate your chart based on your birth details. And AI makes mistakes while making those calculations. Wrong planetary positions, incorrect house cups. It's like getting your fortune read, but they are looking at somebody else's palm while reading your fortune. So here's the game changer. What if I told you there is a way to bypass all of that? Here's what most people don't realize. AI isn't bad at astrological interpretation. In fact, it's phenomenal at it. The problem isn't with the AI. The problem is the data we are feeding into it. And our second approach will exactly handle these concerns with much ease. Let me show you a two-step approach here. Step 1. Go to a legit astrology website. For example, I will use AstroTalk over here. If you want Vedic astrology, make sure you select that option. Now enter your birth details and listen. This is the crucial part. You'll need to enter the exact birth details. For example, 3:14 PM exact. Why? Because your ascendant sign changes every 2 hours and your whole chart structure depends on this. So after entering the exact birth detail, time and location, the site will generate your complete chart. And now here's that bonus tip that I initially talked about. And honestly, this might be the most important thing in this entire video. Do not take the screenshot of the chart itself and upload it in AI. I know it's tempting, but don't do it. Here's because AI sometimes misreads images, will confuse symbols, misread degrees and get planetary positions wrong. Instead, find the table view of the data on the astrology website, extract the raw data, copy it, and then just add it into your AI tool. And this is where our second step is. You will take the raw data and then open ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, whatever your AI tool you would want to prefer, and paste that data in exactly as it is in there. Now tell AI something like this. This is my birth chart data with exact planetary positions. Please analyze it for me and predict whatever your questions are, be it career, relationship, marriage, whatever. And this is where it gets wild. Watch what AI does. It doesn't just read your birth chart, it simultaneously analyzes your natal chart, your divisional chart, your current dasha periods, planetary positions, etc. And also AI has a lot of information about you from your past usage that is going to be compiled as well. It is literally impossible for any human being to process so much information so fast. Plus, AI definitely has zero ego, no bias, and no greed. Just pure pattern-based recognition across massive data sets. And the best part about this whole thing, it's completely free. While everyone's focused on ChatGPT writing their emails, you can have a 24/7 personal astrologer in your pocket. So try it out and let me know if you face any issues in the comments. I will genuinely read all the comments and will be happy to resolve any queries. You share it with your friends who are also interested in astrology. I'll look forward to see you in the next video.